Okay, we separate this from under there, and he knew you were trying to get him. So I'm gonna make a chicken pen. This is gonna be like a puzzle, and I'm gonna make a chicken pen out of this in between that tree and CR, the outdoor bathroom. And so, complete with everything. It's gonna, you know, I want to make it look good so that it will match everything. So I don't know how I will make it look good. Somehow I will get it all and lay it out. That's going to be the middle of it, and maybe some of these will go around. That's the plan. Anyway, I'm going to rivet it, and I don't know how I'm going to do it exactly. I'm going to design it on my computer. So don't think I don't got any ideas. That's my idea. Gary made my idea come true, so it looks good. And Jesus brought me an orange plant and a star apple to replace the dead ones. So I don't have time to fertilize them and water them like I'm supposed to. So they're dying, and it's the dry season, so they get too dry. But my mango's doing good. My fancy mango. Okay, so progress has been finishing some landscaping, and cleaning up the slope up here was crazy, but now it looks pretty good. And you know, they've been fabricating this door for the generator.
That's okay just for the motor, sir?
Huh?
Clean the motor inside.
Do what now?
Okay.
What's happening?
The motor help pull out the water, sir.
Yeah.
And a little bit bucket, sir.
Wow, it looks dirty on the top.
That's a chlorine, sir. Chlorine.
Yeah, it's sand, maybe. Dust.
In the bottom, sir. Dirt.
What is floating right there?
That's falling down of Ronnie, sir.
Oh, that plastic. Oh, yeah.
The plastic, sir.
Ronnie! That's almost over your head, huh?
Yeah.
So how do you... Oh, the pump is pumping it out.
Yeah.
Oh, so all the chlorine's coming out, right?
Chlorine, sir. Smell chlorine.
Oh, yeah. So now we need to put some more in there, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Maybe, sir.
Maybe not. Maybe not. Who knows? Plastic.
Solvent, sir. Maybe solvent. No leaking, sir, because
Yeah.
I add
Yeah, I smell the chlorine.
chlorine.
Yeah, maybe I'll get a bucket and water some of my plants right now. So they're draining the well. They're using the pump to drain the well. And so I'm going to use some of the water for the plant. So instead of pumping it in the line, they just put the filter off, and it will pump out like that. They're gonna clean it and maybe dig it a little bit deeper if it's easy enough. There's probably a lot of small stuff on the top, probably, I don't know. I guess you don't know until you get down there. So, whew, that's gonna be heavy. That's the well we just put chlorine in there, but you know, we're getting ready to move in. I don't want too much chlorine in there anyway. Plus it's been tested. So this plant is not looking too good. That's a rambutan. How does the water feel? Good?
Yes, sir. What's out, sir?
Oh yeah. Dang.
Milo, sir. Milo.
Huh? Milo, yeah. Chocolate milk.
That's a sediment, sir. Sediment.
It's about time you took a bath.
May mga bato. The bigger stone, sir. Put
big
the,
stuff.
yeah, the bigger stone.
Yeah.
Change the gravel. That's better, sir.
Right. It's gonna make it shallower though, right?
Yeah.
It'll make the well shallow?
In the bottom, sir.
Yeah. I mean, we're gonna take the big stone out?
Yeah, the stone sir.
Out and little stone in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dela.
I don't think, are you be able to pick the big stone up?
Yeah, the stone, sir. You see the hand?
Oh yeah.
The stone.
I see it.
That's not good, sir. The stone, the big stone.
Right.
Better the gravel, sir.
What's wrong, Ronnie Spider?
Down there.
I can't see you in the camera, but I can see something moving around down there. Yeah, originally we miscalculated, and I know y'all saw the hole right next to the, because we thought the AC line was going to go in there, come from there, but there was no room to put the AC that high and get the lid open to clean the filter there. So we made a mistake and we repaired it right now. So also in Rain's bedroom it's repaired. That way when the paint is on it, it's got time to fumes to stop kicking, you know, from the paint. So don't want to choke my daughter out. That's my only daughter. All right, later. First transfer of the generator. So the main is off.
Yeah. Like that, sir. You like that, sir.
Right.
And generator on. Yeah, that's already generator, sir. Try.
Right now?
Yeah. Try the lighter. That's for generator. Here.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Not work?
Uh-oh.
I say no akan, sir. Maybe lost.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So turn the main off?
That's okay, sir.
It's okay. Boy. Uh-oh, strike out. Strike out first strike. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day. So, there you go. So, Antique's off and generator on. That's correct?
That's why the generator is unplugged, sir.
It's unplugged?
Yeah. Off the generator, sir.
Oh.
Unplugged, that's why not.
Oh, it's just sitting there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Never was connected.
Good time, sir.
Okay. I will not. That's why the generator, see the wires right there. They've never been connected. So, that's why. You need to be connected to the top over there, I would guess. Oh, just over 20. So the pressure is gonna come on soon. So
That's why no sorry, sir.
Antico's off. So those two wires go on the top right there?
Yeah, to our Antico generator, sir.
Okay. Oh, the water is beautiful.
Good weather, sir.
Huh?
Good winter.
Yeah, it's hot though, but it's good. Hot and good. He's gonna go turn it on.
Yeah.
Time to get out of there. Eh?
Turn on. That's easy, sir, to pull out. Because this is screw inside, you cannot screw.
Oh, you cannot do that because how are you going to get it? Oh, you can get it back.
Yeah.
That's right. You switch it over, then turn it on. Yeah. They know what to do down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ronnie.
See the engine higher. Yeah, like that, sir.
Until the needle gets to 220?
Yeah, it's 220, sir.
Yeah. Abracadabra. Ah! That's all generator right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
for generator, sir.
Oh yeah. Nice. That might be in the
I see the engine, sir, at the bottom. Yeah, that's light on there, sir.
Yeah.
I see at the bottom.
Okay.
The vibration.
Right.
Yeah.
So if it's too much.
Too much, sir. Have a vibration, sir.
Oh.
Engine. Turn on the lights.
It doesn't sound like it's straining, man. Turn this one on. Them though. Hey, I gotta get a remote. Oh, I don't know if the remote. I gotta put the batteries in the remote. So we just tested the generator, and we turned every light in the house on. You know, in the beginning, as you saw, it wasn't even connected inside he forgot, but it was just for safety reasons. He didn't connect it all the way up in the beginning. He just left the 2 wires hanging there. It just literally, he had to screw 2 wires in the breaker box, and it worked. The transfer switch worked. So we turned every light in the house on, and then no vibration from the generator. And then we turned one air conditioner on, no change in sound of the generator or anything. And you know, we waited for the compressor to kick on and the air to get cold. So then, no change. We turned on the second air conditioner. So we ran 2 air conditioners and all the lights in the house. So That's gonna work for the couple lights and the refrigerator, probably a TV and 2 ACs. During I think it'll handle that since we had on all the lights. But I just a couple lights. You know, if we turn on the TV, we can turn off a couple lights and watch the TV if we have to. There's no big deal. It's still very convenient. I'm gonna see if this literal one will fit because it says stainless.
Yeah, stainless, sir.
So the other ones were not, they were coated.
Yeah.
So, all right, Igma. So, the Bulldogs a success. Bulldog success. And I don't know how the clasp is going to be. We're going to put this somewhere. We will do this later. I'm going to go to lunch myself. But I had all the lights on. We're running that thing there and 2 ACs. So that makes me very happy knowing that I can run the refrigerator, a TV, and 2 ACs during a brownout or blackout or typhoon. So very good. It couldn't have happened better. And literally I just go to the box and, you know, the transfer switch, you can't turn the generator on when Antico, when the electric company's on. So what you do, you go up there and turn Antico off. That allows you to switch over to the generator. So it's a safety measure. So we're gonna roll out. I'll see you on the flip-flop. So Gary and JoJo are working on the lights for the driveway right now. This was something we really didn't plan on doing in the beginning because I had lights up here, right? Got a light right here, so, but my wife wanted some out there, so. Okay. They're working on that right now.
Okay.
I'll see. Actually, 2 bulbs can go in each one, but I only got 1 in each one of them now. But you can add another one. That light is on too? Yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. Yep. It's getting close to move-in time. And the furniture, in case you didn't see the other videos, the furniture is coming Monday. This video was made on Saturday, payday for the guys. And woo! The yard is looking a lot better than it used to look. You know, there's still some rocks like over here. Now I'm gonna clean that up and put some topsoil, maybe some dried up cow poopy. Dried up cow fertilizer. Get some of them rocks out because I want to put some watermelons right there. Because I don't know, I'm gonna find out, does watermelons need a lot of sun or shade? It seemed like I remember they need sun, so maybe I cannot do that. But I'm gonna plant some stuff during the rainy season. I actually got some Silver Queen corn, but the seeds are now, I think they're too old, but because I've been here for over a year. But we'll see. Let's see if I can get them germinated. Oh, did y'all see the bags? I got bags. Hold on, they're good. I got bags for these. The sun is setting on Nirvanaville, and there's just a few more things to clean up in the yard, and there's 1 more week to go before the crew will be gone. So the crew is going to split down to from 10 to 5 for 1 more week. That under there is gonna be, I'm gonna put a puzzle together and do my chicken pen out of that, the roof of that. And Perone, Run, he's gonna get that. Like I said, next week it's gonna be half a crew. Then for one more week, we'll try to accomplish a chain link at the top of my property so that it won't become an animal CR. And the city may change that to accommodate the road widening at some point, but I would just rearrange it. It ain't gonna cost that much. You don't have to buy the new chain link, just gonna move the poles and sacrifice the poles. So that's it from 62. Today they finished off the and tested the generator, which was cool, and fixed the lights and did some clearing on the yard and everything. Cleared out some stuff. They're gonna continue that clearing. The people that got laid off, they're the ones that are gonna take the clear most of the stuff out. Like all that bamboo on my slope right there, all that wood and everything. You know, all that will be cleared out, and they'll have time to do it. They're gonna get all of that, and that little platform is gonna stay. And they're gonna get all that along with that bamboo you saw in the backyard. And then that's it. They're gonna make a chain link. And also today they extended the well, the number 2 well down a little bit. They drained it and extended it down. And they're gonna build a chain link fence just to keep the dogs out of here. Across there. Actually, this is city property right here for the road widening when they need it. But my property comes to this pole. This will be what the city is. The city's that way. So that wall that I built right there, that's going to be destroyed at some point. So my chain link will end up going from there to here and down, connect to the 2 posts, go right underneath too, so that there won't be any people trying to store stuff like this in my property because it's ugly. So that's what the deal is. So 62 will see you when tomorrow I'm going to come down here and start cleaning where, you know, the beds and couches, the rooms that the beds and couches and stuff are going to be in. So it's going to smell just like pine saw. So 62 out.